SKF dual-line automatic lubrication systems consist of the following components: a pump unit that includes an analog or digital pressure gauge, such as the electrically operated ZPU24 or similar product, a changeover valve, such as the EMU3, several dual-line metering devices that include piston sensors similar to the VSG, end-of-line pressure sensors like EDW or similar products, a control unit similar to the LMC301, tubing, and fittings. These flexible systems are simple to design and can be reduced easily by removing metering devices or extended by installing additional metering devices. The function principle of the dual-line system consists of two half cycles. In the first half cycle, the lubricant is pumped into main line A. The second main line, B, is connected to the relief line. The lubricant, which is conducted by the changeover valve, is supplied to the metering devices. The metering device pistons are moved into their adjusted end positions, thus dispensing an exact metered quantity of grease. Once all metering devices have dispensed their lubricant to the consumption point, the system is hydraulically closed, which causes the pressure in main line A to rise until the preset pressure at the end-of-line pressure switch is reached. This switch is mounted in the main line prior to the last metering device. The pressure switch then signals an electric pulse to the control unit, which turns the pump off and signals the changeover valve to relieve main lines A and B, and the pause time starts. At this stage, half of the lubrication points in the system have been lubricated. System pressure relief works in such a way that the pressure line between the pump and changeover valve first gets relieved into one main line, then both main lines become relieved at the same time. In the second half cycle, main line B is pressurized, and the second half of the system lubrication points gets lubricated. Afterwards, the cycle continues as before. SKF dual-line lubrication systems are suitable for a variety of applications, including heavy industry, metalworking plants, pulp and paper production, mining, mineral processing, power plants, cement factories, steelworks, and more. Our reliable systems operate effectively in harsh conditions associated with these industries, including potentially high lubrication point back pressure, dirty, wet or humid environments, and low temperatures. SKF offers dual-line systems that can dispense a precise metered amount of lubricant to up to 2,000 lubrication points over long distances up to 120 meters, 131 yards, and more, depending on case values. SKF dual-line systems feature smart electronic components which allow the system to do self-learning for optimized and reliable system performance.